I'm Lee Jeehyun with the latest weather updates. The new week starts colder than average once again. Cold winds will make it feel sub-zero all day here in the capital. Cold wave alerts remain in place for northern parts of Gyeonggi-do and Gangwon-do provinces, with morning temperatures beginning below -10 degrees Celsius there. And the dry weather warning has also been in effect for the east of Gwangju, and the rest of the inland areas are under a dry weather advisory this morning. So please be extra careful with anything that could start a fire. Afternoon highs in central regions will be 2 to 4 degrees higher than yesterday. Seoul will be topping out at just 2 degrees Celsius this afternoon, while southern provinces will have highs that are slightly lower than Sunday. Gwangju sees a high of 4 degrees Celsius under mostly sunny skies nationwide today. Now, there could be a light mix of rain or snow in western parts of the country at dawn tomorrow, but the amount will not be that much. Temperatures, though, will stay sub-zero all night and will have a low of -3 degrees Celsius here in the capital tomorrow morning. With that in mind, here's a look at the weather conditions around the globe.